Neotech. A new era has begun. Our innovative designs, using the highest quality materials, combined with expert craftsmanship, create world-class straps and accessories for the working musician. When the gig is long, the comfort keeps going. Our straps are scientifically engineered to provide you with the most comfortable playing experience possible. We test our products against our competitors to ensure that you won't experience the painful pressure spikes that a less sophisticated design can produce. Our straps can be seen on the top stages across the globe, from Todd Taylor with the Oak Ridge Boys to Ian Hill with Judas Priest. Neotech Straps are the comfortable choice for professionals. The Stomp Stopper is a unique product to keep guitar cables in place. Neotech makes accessories for brass, woodwind, guitars, basses and banjos, mandolins and ukuleles, accordions, and percussion. The Bassoon seat strap holds the instrument firmly in place. It attaches to the chair to prevent the instrument from accidentally falling to the floor. The soft neoprene protects the boot of the instrument. The Sac practice harness offers maximum support with internal aluminum supports. This minimizes the weight on the shoulders without sacrificing mobility. It's ideal for marching a larger horn, such as a bari sax. The Posh Right self-inflating seat cushion lets you bring comfort with you to any performance venue. Its wedge shape encourages good posture for the proper playing position and is a welcome addition in any gig bag. It self-inflates to a soft cushion, but if a firmer support is needed, simply blow more air into it. Storage is a snap. Just twist the valve and roll the cushion to deflate it. Then slip it into the included carrying sleeve. What could be easier? Our soft sac strap is favored by students and professionals alike. It alleviates neck and shoulder pressure so you can concentrate on making music. The super harness self-adjusts from side to side to allow you maximum freedom on stage. For the sousaphone, we offer a shoulder pad, a cradle pad, and a valve wrap. These accessories assure comfort for the musician and protection for the instrument while playing. They're a must-have for marching bands for both style and comfort. Neotech products are proudly made in Montana, USA.